In this video, you will learn the top 4 best ways to cut a clip in DaVinci Resolve 18. My name is Vortex DaVinci and let's get started. So, the first cutting tool that we are going to look at is called Blade Edit Mode, and you will find it right here on the edit page. Either press on it or press B and then bring it down timeline where we will get started. You can also see that the cursor has changed from the arrow to the blade, and there's a little line here where you can cut. So if you hover it onto the clip that you want to cut, so let's say I want to do it here, you left on it and it just breaks, and then you just delete it. The only downside about using this is, or it's a bit annoying, that when you do it you have to move all of your clips to adjust it. The second tool is called Trim Edit Mode, and you will also find it on the edit page right here. To use it, either press on it or press T, and then bring it down to the timeline where we will get started. There are a few different ways you can use this tool, but I'm first going to say how it works. So you move your clip side to side and then it overlaps your other clip, but it doesn't make any gaps. So you saw with the Blade Edit tool that it made gaps. It does it if you're just using it with the cursor anyway, but this overlaps it without making any gaps, depending on how much you've cut out of your video before. So now we're going to look at how you use it. So for example, there are a few different ways. If you have it in the middle of your, you can move it or backward like this, and it's just moving on. So you might want a part of your end of your clip instead of bits near the beginning, and this can be really useful. Another way is if you go in between two clips. So like I said, it's overlapping the clip, but it's not making any gaps. And then you have the other way where it looks like this, and then you push it so it's just moved again. I think this can be a really useful tool which you will use quite a bit, or you won't use that much. But I think it's quite useful, and I do use it a bit when I'm editing, but not that much. The third cutting tool we are going to look at is called Split Clip, and you will find this on the cut page. The cut page is right here, and then it will be on the side right here. So for instance, I might want to cut it here, and then you just press split clip and then it cut. I'll move this out of the way so you can see. But look, it's cutted. And then make sure to delete the part that you don't want. So I'm going to delete this bit here. But then, yeah, you're going to have it all so it is aligned with your clip so there's no gap. But I just recommend going back into the edit page and doing that. It's more easier. The fourth and final cutting tool is called the razor tool, and you will find it on the Fairlight page. The Fairlight page is down right here. Make sure you press on it, and then it is right here. So I use this tool quite a bit if I'm in the Fairlight page and I need to cut out certain bits of my audio or even video. But you click on the bit that you want to cut and then have the line where you want it to cut. So that could be video or audio. I usually do it on audio. And then you just press on the razor tool or press Ctrl and B at the same time. And then it just cuts like that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and I'd recommend checking this video that's about to come up right about now.